this episode of course.
Alright guys, so we're heading up to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania this morning to look at a 68 Mustang Fastback. Here we go. We made it to Philly, y'all. Now we're gonna get a rental car, but on the way here we had a guy, he couldn't decide if he wanted us to look at a car or not. Since we had extra time today, we had time for one more inspection, so we're gonna go and check out Saab first, and then we're gonna do a 68 Fastback tomorrow. I guess we gotta take a shuttle. How are you doing today, man? So we start with getting our rental car, and then we're heading over to New Jersey, which is the state on the other side of this river. Right, y'all, we arrived to Saab. I don't know about this, but we check it out and see what it is. Here to check out this.
Sold it yesterday. Yeah.
Really? I just drove from Florida.
Huh?
I drove from Florida to here.
Yeah, right.
Straight?
For that?
Yeah.
Did you call?
Yeah, yesterday.
You called yesterday and they said it was here?
Yeah.
I sold that car yesterday at around this time. They picked it up.
Oh.
Wow. I'm sorry about that,
Nope.
bud.
They don't have it anymore.
Are you for real?
Yeah. When we landed, we went over to New Jersey.
New Jersey.
It was just over a bridge and you were right there. We're gonna look at a Saab that has been out for sale for 148 days.
Yeah.
Talked to the guy, everything was fine. Came there and he said he sold it. But at least we got to go to New Jersey.
Yeah. I like New Jersey. It was awesome. Now we're in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
We're going to Reading to check out that 68 Fastback. And we're staying or camping in a yurt.
It's awesome, y'all. Highly recommended. But now we're gonna go look at some cars. And this car has,
Should I go here?
yeah, 12,000 miles on it. What a piece of Hi, how you doing? All right, perfect. Nice to meet you, Charlie.
Priscilla.
Is my wife.
Yeah, I just picked this thing up as a parts car.
Are you gonna sell it? Ah.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's her right there. And
Oh, you have a bunch of them.
yeah,
That's a big one.
got to pick parts for this.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You are the one who's scooping all of them up everywhere.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
He actually peeled out of the garage.
He never drove it?
Huh?
He just left it
20
in?
years in the garage.
What kills him?
I don't know
People
why
do
people
that.
buy it. And it was an old guy. He says, oh, I
don't do that.
So I drove up there an hour and a half.
Where is it from?
Huh? We bought it right here in Pennsylvania.
But I want the red one.
I know the red one's also.
But that's the one he's gonna keep.
Yeah, this one he's gonna fix.
Yeah.
All right. I've watched them do this 100 times.
Let's see the ground.
Until you blow shit up.
Let me give it a little gas.
I think we have. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yes, we don't. That's good.
Beautiful.
It runs.
Okay,
That's all I
that's
needed.
enough. Let's unhook it.
So we came and looked at the 68 Fastback. It's a lot of rust on it, but we knew that from the beginning. We maybe found a little more than we expected, but it's gonna be a long-term project and you can buy everything for these cars basically. It's gonna be great. It's gonna take a few years, but I think it's gonna be a perfect project.
Really nice, two brothers selling the car. They have a lot of awesome cars.
And they sure did have a lot of nice projects in their backyard. This time we're living with a golden C-code 1968 Fastback and with hopes of one day obtain the ownership of the red one. But little did we know that this journey had just started. We're heading back to the airport in Philadelphia with the thoughts of that we are going to be home this evening. But that was not the case.
Well, we had a 2-hour delay and then our flight got canceled. So we have to go back downstairs, get a new flight, come back up, go back through security. Maybe we can get home tonight, we're not sure.
Maybe.
We will
see.
figure it out.
So our flight is totally cancelled and there is no other flights until tomorrow 7 p.m. So now we're trying to find another flight company to fly with so we can get home. The earliest they find is in Fort Lauderdale, which is hours away from where we need to be at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Exciting as always. So here we are, stuck for another 24 hours in Pennsylvania. We have a whole day to spend, so we figured why don't we go downtown Philadelphia and check out the town. Philadelphia is absolutely a super rad place. Street performance, great food market, a lot of history, and it was just a really great day. But we have a lot of videos and information about this place, so we decided we're gonna make a separate video for this so you guys can see everything about downtown Philly.